Ladies and gentlemen, how we doing? From Q's here from M&F Forex Traders. I hope you're doing great. So like always, I'm back again with another beautiful video for you guys, giving you nothing but the very best. So please, the best you can do is make sure that you subscribe, like the video, and comment in the comment section so that you get to be notified every time we drop a new video for you guys. Because we do this twice a week, so this is actually very informative for you guys. So this is what we had on AUD Swiss. It's a trade breakdown on AUD Swiss. So please make sure that you stick around, subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Let us know at the end of the video what you think about this one, right? So what we had is a very nice setup on the 2-hour time frame. Let me just show you the breakdown right now. So what we had was this, right? We had a QML here and the lower low, a QML, which is a high and higher low, and then a higher high, and then we had price coming to break the structure right here. So after that, we had a nice resistance, first resistance and second resistance, and then we had something very interesting right here. We had the market actually compressing right here, giving us a rising wedge. And when we see this, we know that we actually have a high probability setup, because usually after the market is consolidating or compressing, usually we get the very strong push either from the upside or to the upside, or upside or downside, right? And this particular right now we had the nice supply zone here where the market actually dropped, then tried to reverse back, and then it dropped even further. The market is actually moving very well right now. I'll show you in a bit. And we had a very nice fresh supply zone above this level here where the market actually dropped from. So let me just go ahead and show you on the chart right now. Let me just show you on the chart right now. So let's go to the 2-hour time frame. So this was actually a very beautiful setup. It was a very beautiful setup, and yeah. So as you can see from here, right now, we had a nice move to the upside, which gave us a QML. We had a low, we had a higher high, and then we had a break of structure right here, giving us a lower low. As you can see, the candles that broke the structure were significant candles, which signifies presence of smart money in the market. Therefore, expect the market to go back up to feel the liquidity, the inefficiencies, and then once that is what has happened, then we actually sell, right? Of course, we don't just sell, we wait for confirmation. And on a lower time frame, I had a very beautiful rejection right here, and therefore at this level right there, actually the signal was sent and the market dropped. So the target was about 150 pips, 170 pips, and so far the market has actually moved about 55 pips, and this is like 3R already, and this is a really nice setup. Yeah, let me just show you. This signal was actually sent when price was at that level. You can see the rejection right there, a beautiful rejection right there, and actually we just entered right there, and now the market has dropped beautifully. Of course, you can see this was shared in the in our private community, as you can see. And yeah, so far so good, man. So far so good, and then the market has actually moved very beautifully in our favor. And yeah, we just remain consistent in actually taking our setups as they come. Right now, you can see this is my MT4. You can see where the entry was. This entry was sick. It was a beautiful entry, sniper entry like that, right? These are very beautiful snipers. So it's really nice. As you can see, a beautiful setup right there, beautiful entry right there, and you can see the market moving beautifully in our favor. So right now we can go ahead and move my stop loss. Right now it's already on break even, so I'll just move it slightly in profit so that I can lock in some profit. But you always have to pay yourself, right? Pay yourself, because you don't know at any particular time anything can happen and the market can still go against you. So you always have to pay yourself. Make sure that you actually pay yourself. You avoid a losing trade, a winning trade turning into a losing trade, right? So you always have to do that. Very important. And you can see right now where the entry was, a very nice setup right there. And those in our private community, as well as of course, so just shared in the private community. So these guys were able to actually enjoy this signal. This week has been very great, and yeah. So we just keep on executing. We keep on executing, because at the end of the day, we know that we're going to be profitable because we have a back-tested strategy that has shown positive expectancy over a series of trades, right? So on a trade by trade basis, we have no idea what's going to happen, but we know that over a series of trades will be profitable, right? So that comes from backtesting, insane amount of hours trying to actually understand the skill, right? But once you get the skill, it gets easier. Of course, you still have to deal with emotions. You have to actually find a way of dealing with those emotions, because those emotions are always going to be there. So you just have to find a way that you're going to deal with them so that you keep on executing. All right, so please make sure that you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think of this video right now, and until next time, goodbye.